How long do we have? No, short little story of my bio and background. I'm a very traditionally analytically trained business school guy with an MBA and a PhD. Lived in 4 countries. Was a corporate and investment banker dealing with entrepreneurs. So I've taken a company public. I've invested in a company, got a little bit of money back out of it. Worked a lot with people in the cable television and publishing industries, and then went back to follow my hunch that I thought I might want to do something in the university sector. So I then moved to England to do my PhD, and moved to Finland, where I've met my wife, and I've been based in Finland for over 20 years now. The ideation appetizer we had today, which was a little taster, all good entrepreneurs know the secret in life is you have to have a creative spark. To create an idea that can create a wow factor. But the challenge is to figure out ideas of how to implement these things in the real world with real constraints. So ideation is this process of discovering how do you take possibilities and turn them into realities, into marketplaces with impact. And we had an opportunity today to discover how much creativity depends on getting out of your comfort zone, thinking outside of the box, before you start thinking how does it fit into a box or creating a brand new box. And that's what the whole process of ideation is about. And everybody has had this opportunity because if you've been in kindergarten, that's what I think is the process of kindergarten all over again, repeatedly. So we're trying in the university sector to recreate this notion of kindergarten and purposeful play.